गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Hello friends, how are you? My name is Zita. I am studying first standard. Today we are celebrate Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is festival of India. It is also Yas Purnima. Guru is very important in our life. I wish you very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.